In my today's video, I try to take your attention towards a very new topic and very important topic related with bank and finance, that is interbank market. Basically, interbank market, with the name itself, the concept is clear, a market between the banks. But this concept is very conceptual and very important for every kind of banking, financial, as well as insurance examination. And we definitely find a lot of questions related with interbank market terms. Today, I try to cover some of the important terms related with interbank market. Please be with me till end of the video to understand the concept as a whole. ये जो इंटरबैंक मार्केट है, इसके जो टर्म्स होते हैं, ये हमेशा ही बैंकिंग, इंश्योरेंस या फाइनेंशियल एग्जाम्स में पूछे जाते हैं. These questions are very easy and very conceptual. Please be with me till end, जिससे कि हम ये कॉन्सेप्ट्स को बहुत इजी लैंग्वेज में बहुत आसानी से समझ सके और इनकी मीनिंग को इस तरीके से हम समझे कि लॉन्ग टर्म तक हमें रिमेंबर रह सके. बिफोर गोइंग ऑन इंटरबैंक मार्केट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी मस्ट रिवाइज व्हाट इज मनी मार्केट. मैंने एक और वीडियो बना रखा है अलग से मनी मार्केट के ऊपर. स्टिल आई ट्राई टू कवर this money market before starting the interbank market, because interbank market is directly or indirectly linked up with the money market. Money market basically refers to a section of financial market where financial instruments with high liquidity and short term maturity are being traded. Means money market एक ऐसा market है जिसमें highly liquid means वो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स जिनको बहुत इजीली कैश में कन्वर्ट किया जा सके, वो ही इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स ट्रेड होते हैं. प्लस जिनकी मैच्योरिटी पीरियड लेस देन 1 ईयर की होती है, उन्हीं इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स को खरीदा और बेचा जाता है. मीन्स देयर इज अ ट्रेड ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स दैट इज for a very short period and that is being quickly converted into liquid or cash is only being traded in money market. Money market is primarily facilitate lending and borrowing of funds between banks and primary dealers. जब मनी मार्केट एक फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करती है बैंक्स को और प्राइमरी डीलर्स को, ताकि वो क्विकली अपने फंड्स को एक दूसरे को ट्रांसफर कर सके, एक दूसरे से ले और दे सके, ताकि वो अपने शॉर्ट टर्म के फंड्स रिक्वायरमेंट को मीट आउट कर सके या शॉर्ट टर्म के फंड्स के मिसमैच पोजीशन को अपने इंप्रूव कर सके. तो इस मिसमैच को इंप्रूव करने के लिए जो भी बोरोइंग्स और लेंडिंग्स करते हैं हमारे बैंक्स और प्राइमरी डीलर्स फॉर शॉर्ट पीरियड, जिसमें कि कोई भी सिक्योरिटी ना तो कोई बैंक देता है एक दूसरे बैंक को और ना ही कोई प्राइमरी डीलर्स किसी को देते हैं, तो उन्हीं को हम कहते हैं इंटरबैंक मार्केट. मींस द मार्केट बिटवीन बैंक्स where there is no security required. One bank can transfer or can give some funds to another bank to meet out the requirement or the current requirement of that bank. एक बैंक जब दूसरे बैंक को फंड्स प्रोवाइड करता है शॉर्ट पीरियड के लिए, ताकि वो अपने उन शॉर्ट पीरियड के मिसमैच फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन को इंप्रूव कर सकें या उसमें सुधार ला सकें for a shorter period of time, then this transactions, this lending and borrowing between the banks are considered as interbank market transactions. Means वो ट्रांजेक्शन जो एक बैंक और दूसरे बैंक के बीच में हो रहा हो, वो ट्रांजेक्शन जो शॉर्ट टर्म नेचर का हो, मीन्स नॉट मोर देन 1 ईयर्स, वो ट्रांजेक्शन जिसमें कोई भी सिक्योरिटी ना हो और ट्रांजेक्शन का मेन एम हो शॉर्ट टर्म के मिसमैच फंड पोजीशन को मेंटेन करना, then that is considered as interbank market transactions. Now इंटरबैंक मार्केट ट्रांजेक्शन्स में कुछ हमारे इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म्स हैं जो कि जनरली हमारे एग्जाम्स में पूछे जाते हैं और जो टर्म्स हमारे लिए जानना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. वी हैव कॉल मनी. कॉल्स इन अरियर्स, कॉल्स इन एडवांस भी होता है, लेकिन वो शेयर्स में होता है, उसको हम शेयर्स के पार्ट में कवर करेंगे. हियर वी स्टडी कॉल मनी. कॉल मनी मीन्स व्हाट? कॉल विद द नेम इटसेल्फ इट इज क्वाइट क्लियर कि हमने कॉल किया और हमको तुरंत से पैसा मिल गया, दैट इज कॉल मनी. अब अगर कोई एक बैंक ए है, वो किसी किसी दूसरे बैंक बी को, मीन्स बैंक ए दूसरे बैंक को, बैंक ए अपने ब्रांचेस को नहीं, बैंक ए किसी दूसरे बैंक बी को फंड्स दे रहा है फॉर 1 डे. If Bank A is fulfilling the funds requirement of Bank B for a single day, then this is called call money. कॉल मनी मीन्स एक बैंक के द्वारा दूसरे बैंक की फंड्स रिक्वायरमेंट को एक दिन के लिए अगर कंप्लीट करते हैं तो उसे हम कहते हैं कॉल मनी. यहाँ पे रिवर्स भी हो सकता है. इट मे बी पॉसिबल कि बैंक बी बैंक ए से बोरो करे, मीन्स यहाँ पे लेंडर बोरोवर में चेंज, आइदर बैंक ए बिकम अ बोरोवर और बैंक बी बिकम अ बोरोवर. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऑफ बैंक ए एंड बैंक बी. But this call money is also a very important, very conceptual term, and it is quite easy to understand. Here only the thing we have to understand it is that बैंक A और बैंक B के बीच में जो भी transactions हो रहे हैं वो transactions सिर्फ एक दिन के लिए हो रहा है. Means after 1 day बैंक B will return the borrowed fund to bank A. The transaction between Bank A and Bank B for a single day is considered as call money. No security is being required. Means Bank B is not going to give any kind of securities for the borrowed fund to Bank A. Now, second one is notice money. Notice money is also same. Bank A may lend funds to Bank B, but the time period may extend. Time period is 2 to 14 days. When Bank B borrow funds from Bank A for 2 to 14 days, then this came under notice money. Means the period, the time period of borrowed fund or lent fund is extend to 2 to 14 days. Only the major difference between call money and notice money is time period. In call money, the time period is single day, and in notice money, the time period extends to 2 to 14 days. When Bank B borrow fund from Bank A for 2 to 14 days, then this is considered as notice money. Now, next one is term money. Term money is also similar, but the borrowing period may also extends. Here, Bank A lent funds to Bank B for 15 to 364 days. Means the number of days are also increased here. Here, the days are 15 days to 364 days. जब कोई भी एक बैंक दूसरे बैंक से फंड्स पैसे उधार में लेता है 15 दिन से 364 दिन के लिए, तो उसे हम कहते हैं टर्म मनी. The money which is taken by Bank A to Bank B, either Bank B to Bank A, and the time period for refund of that borrowed fund is 15 days to 364 days, then this came under term money. These three concepts are very important: call money, notice money, and term money. Only the difference between all these three terms are time period. Call money is for single day transaction, notice money is for 2 to 14 days transaction, and term money is for 15 to 364 day transaction. Now next, we have to understand who all are participants in the interbank market. All scheduled commercial banks excluding RRBs are major participants of the interbank market. Other than that, cooperative banks and primary dealers are also major participants of this interbank market. All these three play a major role in scheduled bank. Includes government or nationalized bank, private banks, and foreign banks. All these are major participants, means these banks may interchange or may do transactions in interbank market. And the second one is cooperative banks, means central cooperative bank, state cooperative bank. All these banks may also participate in interbank market. Only land development bank cannot participate in interbank market. And the third one is primary dealers. Primary dealers is a firm that buy government securities directly from the government. The intention is to sell these securities in further. They act as a market maker for government securities. The government may regulate all the actions, all the behavior, all the steps taken by the primary dealers. They are also a very important and very major participant in the interbank market. Now, we will move to next, that is what is the reason or what is the major thing that is being considered in the interbank market, and what are the all the causes, what are all the limitations also. Only the limitation with this interbank market is that this market is for short term and no bank can do the transactions between them in long term. Means because these transactions are just like money market transactions, and the money market transactions are quite short term in nature, means that all the transactions are for 1 year or less than 1 year. Now, what is the timing for dealing in call notice and term money? Means इस मार्केट में अगर किसी भी बैंक को ट्रांजेक्शन्स करने, किसी भी बैंक को दूसरे बैंक से लेंडिंग करनी है या बोरोइंग करनी है, तो उसके लिए क्या टाइमिंग होगी? द टाइमिंग इज फ्रॉम 9 AM मॉर्निंग टू 5 PM on each business day, or whether the any other time that is being specified by RBI, because RBI, the main leader, means only the RBI can regulate, control all these transactions, and RBI is continuously monitoring the all interbank transactions. It is the only the RBI who may change anything related with interbank transactions. Now we will discuss all the things, all the concepts related with interbank market in a very clear and very easy manner, so that the people can easily understand what are call money market, what are notice money market, and what are term money. All these monies are very important from the point of view of financial examination. So please subscribe my channel to receive a lot of videos related with this financial conceptual terms. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.